Welcome to KloudCoach Institute, your go-to source for all things cloud computing. In today's video, we'll be diving into the basics of Kubernetes, a powerful must-learn tool for orchestrating containerized applications in the cloud. Let's get started. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open-source platform designed to automate deploying, scaling, and managing containerized applications. But what exactly are containerized applications? Think of containers as lightweight, standalone and portable packages that encapsulate everything needed to run a piece of software. For example, as highlighted in the diagram, App 1, App 2, and App 3 has the respective binaries and libraries required to run. The application is packaged together and running as independent separate container. Kubernetes works by creating and managing a cluster of nodes, which are essentially virtual or physical machines where your containers run. At the heart of a Kubernetes cluster lies the control plane, which oversees the entire operation and orchestrates the deployment and scaling of applications. The API server serves as the front end for the Kubernetes control plane, allowing users to interact with the cluster. The scheduler is responsible for assigning workloads to nodes based on resource availability and requirements. The controller manager is the brain behind maintaining the desired state of the cluster, constantly monitoring and reconciling any deviations from the defined configurations. And underlying all these components is etcd, a distributed key value store that acts as the cluster's memory, storing all critical information about the cluster's state. Like gears in a well-oiled machine, these components work in tandem within the control plane, ensuring the reliability, scalability, and agility of Kubernetes clusters. In the Kubernetes ecosystem, alongside the control plane components, we have the worker nodes, which are the backbone of our cluster's computing power. Think of them as the diligent workers in a bustling factory, executing tasks assigned by the master node. Now let's zoom in on a fundamental unit of deployment within Kubernetes, the pod. A pod is like a mini environment where your application lives and breathes. It can contain one or more containers, each encapsulating a specific part of your application. Picture it as a small ecosystem where different species coexist and collaborate to achieve a common goal. Within a pod, containers are orchestrated by a special agent known as the kubelet. This kubelet is like a guardian, ensuring that containers are running as expected and handling any requests or changes made to the pod's configuration. But what about networking? That's where the kubeproxy comes into play. Kubeproxy is the traffic cop of the Kubernetes cluster, managing network routing and ensuring that each pod can communicate with other pods within the cluster. Altogether, these components, worker nodes, pods, containers within pods, kubelet, and kubeproxy, form the backbone of a Kubernetes cluster, working harmoniously to power and orchestrate your containerized applications with efficiency, reliability, and scalability. And there you have it, a brief overview of Kubernetes basics. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and guides to help you master the world of cloud computing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KloudCoach Institute for the latest updates. Until next time, happy cloud computing.